Welcome back to another destination update. I'm coming to you from Aloe Greens, a new 1.2-acre park in Anaheim, located in the A-Town development. This park includes a variety of amenities, game tables, picnic areas, and even an open turf area. To start this week, I'd like to share that Saddleback Church has a free grocery distribution every Monday at the City National Grove of Anaheim from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. There are no fees and no reservations needed. Additionally, if you've got some time to spare, they would gladly accept your help to hand out food in the drive-through area. Please pass this along to anyone you know who wants to volunteer or who needs a helping hand. Now for some vaccination news. Disneyland Resort will soon be the very first super COVID-19 vaccination site in Orange County. The resort will be one of several super POD point of dispensing sites where thousands of residents will be able to get vaccinated daily. It'll be operational this very week. For an update and timeline on Orange County's vaccination distribution and schedule, visit the URL listed below. Next up, the Anaheim Transportation Network wants to hear from you. ATN has scheduled a series of community workshops to present information and receive comments from the public. For more information on how to participate in an upcoming public community workshop, please visit the website listed below. Some good news in the pandemic is always welcome. Anaheim Ducks hockey is back tonight. And even though we can't cheer on our home team from the Honda Center, we're excited to be able to watch our Anaheim Ducks back in action. Let's go Ducks. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you again next week.